and the rough. Dad's Caps and Strapping Groom, both with early speed. Sahara Sky was off to a good start. Toward the inside, Golden Ticket forwardly placed in the opening furlong. Here up the backstretch they go. Not a particularly fast pace has been established. Dad's Cap matching strides with Strapping Groom. Down toward the inside, clearly now is in between horses. Down toward the inside, Central Banker now third, clearly now is fourth. Sahara Sky and Golden Ticket only about 2.5 lengths from the lead. Then a break of another 3 back to Saturday's Charm. Well within the capability of these Grade 1 horses, a 23-2 opening quarter mile set by Dad's Cap, prompted by Strapping Groom. Those two starting to pick the tempo up now as they round the far turn. Clearly now right there together with Sahara Sky and Golden Ticket, followed by Central Banker. At the back of the pack is Saturday's Charm. 46-2 was the half-mile mark. Dad's Caps at the quarter pole. Strapping Groom has dropped off 2 lengths from the lead now. Sahara Sky in full flight on the outside, trying to catch up here. Down toward the inside, Golden Ticket. Dad's Cap spurts away. Dad's Caps by 3.5 with a furlong to go. Sahara Sky kicking in high gear, but time's running out for him here. Coming down to the finish, Dad's Caps, and Sahara Sky chasing him home. Dad's Caps does it. That soft quarter mile perhaps played a strong hand in the outcome here as Dad's Caps wins at the end. Closing strongly was Sahara Sky, and then clearly now.